Hey, my affiliate friends, come join me for Virtual Games Mastery, and all the details are somewhere on this page. Date, price, all that great stuff. I just want to show you in this video what it's all about. So what is a virtual game? It's a PowerPoint game, but it's played over Zoom. Check this out, right? So let's say I'm running PowerPoint on my computer. I have a game, like a trivia game running. There's people all over the place, around the country, around the world. And I'm, like, for example, doing the questions, and people are shouting, I know the answer, I know the answer, I know the answer. And there may be a countdown or not, but it's a lot of fun. So it's interactive and it's virtual because people are on Zoom. So I'm logged in here, but you know what? First, I'm going to go to Etsy. I want to show you the marketplace. This is what got me intrigued by all this. I did a search one day for virtual games. You can also do a search for PowerPoint games. And up come all of these things that are literally for playing over Zoom, right? Look at this, 5 seconds, emoji game, Wheel of Fortune type games, riddles, would you rather. Wow, hidden images, there's a bunch of trivia ones, more or less, like all these games. You can come here and check it out. Go to Etsy and do a search for virtual games. You'll see what I mean. So these sell really great. And unlike printables on Etsy, which might go for $1.99 or whatever, you know, these are, you can charge a bit more money for this. Like here's a bunch of them put into one package for 24 bucks. All right, here's a single one for $8. Here's $7.52. Go figure. All right. So it's all over the place, but man, these are fun. I've been playing them with some people around the world already. I'm having fun. So I know these will sell really great. And now I'm going to show you what's in the product, of course. So you can log in anyway. I think I put review access down there. So what I have here is a whole overview section about kind of what I just showed you, but also where to get PowerPoint. So, you know, people may not have PowerPoint. What do? They have to go get it, right? So there's a 30-day free version or trial, whatever. So yeah, 30-day free trial. So I talk about that. And I have an overview about PowerPoint generally, like what the heck, how does it work if you've never seen it. So there's all these videos about that. And now check this out. This is what's really cool. I love this, right? Those games I showed you on Etsy, since they're PowerPoint files, and I think a lot of these vendors don't know any better, which is fine, I was able to buy those PowerPoint games and take them apart, reverse engineer them. And that's what I show in this whole section here. These ones that I actually bought on Etsy, I go through and kind of pull them apart and show the animations and the sound and all that stuff. And look at this, you know, 25 minutes. I'm talking about, you know, one of these more or less games. There's a few of them. So I took one of them apart, show every moving piece about that. A memory challenge one, 20-minute video I made on that. A trivia one, 10 minutes about that one. So this is really, really helpful and educational just to watch these, you know, because, you know, I talk about, I'll get to this in a second, about how to make them, but there's nothing like taking ones that are already successful and showing what's inside. It's really cool. All right, so creating one, I go through all the steps about that. You know, good number of videos here. Let's see, as you can see, I got a bunch of videos to how to make one. All right. And talk about audio, because audio is a part of this, you know, countdown timers, if there's counting going on, you know, bell sounds, applause sounds, boo sounds, all that. So I talk about where to get audio, which you can get for free on Pixabay. Most people don't know this. Like, you go to Pixabay for pictures, but they actually have two categories, media types there. One is songs and one is sound effects. Boom. Show all about that in here. And finally, I've got ready to go game templates. So for example, here is a trivia game. For all of these ones that I have here, and for the kids ones, there's a link, you know, to go download the template I created. It's a PowerPoint file, of course, but for each of these, I also have a video explaining what's inside, explaining the animations or whatever else I did to put those together. So there's a lot of value in this product. I don't think there's anything else out there that's teaching stuff like this. So virtual games mastery, come on, let's get together, make some money. It's all about making money, right? And look at all the stuff I've got below, the funnel, the prices, the dates. I keep changing this stuff, so I'm not putting any of it in the video. Just check Up and down, probably down, okay? And get in touch with me for anything, please. There's a way also on this page to get a hold of me. I'm really excited. Let's go do this together. Thank you for watching.